you're feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life. I'll do anything to pull you into the light, 'cause everything will change when you open your eyes. Yeah. So don't you let the sunlight go out without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight. Live your life like you was running out with a light. We gotta scream it out. Breathe it in and feel the rush again. You're not lost, no matter where you've been. You've been trying hard just to make it alone, but I can help you, baby, let me carry the load. I'll do anything to make you see what it's like, 'cause everything is different when you open your eyes. Yeah, so don't you let the sunlight go by without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight.
Happy 60th birthday, Uncle! More birthdays to come. Ingat palagi. Hope to see you soon. We love you. Bye.
Hi, Uncle Ramil! Happy 70th birthday po! Sana po ay mag-enjoy kayo sa araw na ito. And that's for sure, I know, because you are surrounded with the people you love from there. And yeah, Uncle, you've always been such an inspiration and a true blessing to your family. So, alam ko pong napakabuti yung tao and full of wisdom, kindness, and love. So, yeah, wishing you a good health, more happiness, and a peaceful life ahead. Again, Uncle, happy 70th birthday. Enjoy your day, and I'm sending my love and big hug from here. See you soon. Bye.
Uncle Ramil having his birthday today. Gusto ko po siyang batiin ng happy 60th birthday. May you have more birthdays to come, Uncle, and I pray na sana so magsilso laman yung lanang. Tanggano angga po kami dita niya mituya wat si kayo sa kanunutan tanpa ng aromi so anggan balot na lingwanan. Arom sa sarili mo, Uncle, para saray lalak mo tan para kindian ti Rose. Kita kislamot no akapasyal kay Jaad Pinas. And again, happy birthday daw din sabi ni Nanay. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Uncle! Ang wish po namin sa inyo, good health, more blessings, and more birthdays to come.
Brad, happy birthday! Sana lagi kayong malakas dyan. Ingat kayong lahat.
Happy birthday po! God bless! Ingat po kayong lahat!
Happy birthday, Uncle.
Happy birthday.
God bless us all.
Bilas.
Ingat amin latan.
Happy birthday, Bilas. I hope and pray that God will give you a perfect life and
Good health.
good health. And sana gagaling kayo 100% from God.
Thank you very much and God bless. Happy birthday, Uncle.
Gore ka pa eh. Sana inaantin namin yung pagbakasyon nyo para magkita-kita tayo uli. We love and miss you all.
Advance happy birthday. Senior ka na pala. Duwa ka angag sa uag pala.
Happy birthday, Uncle, again. Happy birthday, Uncle. God bless.
Happy 60th birthday po, Lolo Ramil.
Happy 60th birthday, Uncle. Stay fit and healthy always. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo. We just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. and we wish you good health. We wish you many more birthdays to celebrate, and enjoy your day. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Love you guys.
Happy birthday, Uncle Ramil. God bless you.
Hello, Mel.
Hello, Ninong.
Happy
60th
60th
birthday.
Sana maayos na ang kalusugan mo. And have always a happy life. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday ulit.
Enjoy your day po. Pagaling kayo. Happy birthday ulit.
Ayun, ninong ka daw uli.
Happy 60th birthday, Uncle Ramil. God bless and take care always.
Hi, Kuya Ramil. Happy 60th birthday. Wish you all the best. Good health. Tagay na, Kuya. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Harry Potter.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ramil. More birthdays.
Good.
Hello, Uncle Ramil. Happy 60th birthday. So, wish you all happiness, good health, and then more birthday to come. Then sayang, wala ko dyan. Di sana naka-attend ako sa party nyo. So, yeah, to be short, alam nyo na kung paano tayo nagkakilala. So, I'm still thankful na kahit pa paano nalala ko ni Auntie Rose na message kasi sabi niya mag-birthday daw kayo. So, yeah, I'm so happy na na-reach nyo itong event na to. So, wishing you all the best. Enjoy your party po.
Hi Uncle Mel, happy 60th birthday po. Wishing you good health and stay pogi. Sana po magkita-kita po tayo soon. And happy birthday po again from Dubai.
Hello, Uncle. More blessings and birthdays to come. Ingat ka palagi dyan and your family. I love you. I miss you.
Mel, happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng maraming birthday at ipag-celebrate. More blessings at higit sa lahat. Bigyan ka ng magandang kalusugan. Brad, senior na tayo. Pero wala sa itsura, parang 50s ka pa lang. Sa bagay, nasa layo natin yan, Brad. Kaya Brad, ingat ka sa trabaho. Nagkakaedad na tayo. Lalong-lalo na sa iyong kalusugan. Dapat mag-diet ka. Umiwas ka sa mga sa mga red meat. Gulay, saka isda lang. Saka magtakal ka ng pagkain mo. Parang overweight ka ate. Kasi alam mo, nagkakaedad na tayo. Umaali-aligin na yung mga sari-sari sakit. Kaya kailangan mag-ingat ka parati. Brad, I hope you enjoy your birthday together with your visitors, sa iyong pamilya, kay Rosemary, kay Pete, kay Sarah, at kay Gisa. Love you all. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Rami. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Ingat.
Happy birthday, Rami! We love you and wish you
We love you, Brad. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mel!
Happy birthday, Brad.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Love you. And wish you good health. Eat healthy always. Today is the only exception, okay? Good night.